Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on the video. Underneath the car we have a VOSA. He's enjoying himself, so we're going to be changing out the fog light housing, another housing, the bulb to LED, so you have to access it from underneath the car. So he took the cover off.
Oh, do you want to video from under here, bro?
I don't know if it's going to work. I'll do it. Go on. Oh yeah, I can see from.
You got it?
Oh, up to you.
There you
Just make sure it's
So, there's a cover. You take the cover off, and this is what you're going to be faced with. Then you can see there's two clips there. It's the same as the what's it? Full beams. So the full beam clip kind of thing. So you just take that off, and it is literally just to pull out. That's all it is. Pass it back to the crate.
Oh no, you didn't slant it. Hopefully it works. Okay. Hopefully it is okay. The video. So okay, he's doing that. Let me get the. Oh wait, you haven't got the bulbs out.
Oh yeah.
1 second. He's inside the car, yeah. Huh? It's the last box in it.
Yeah, it's that.
These are the fog bulbs. Look how nice they are, guys. They're like a 3-pin adapter, 2-pin adapter. I mean, very nice. These are very nice bulbs, guys. I believe they are. What the hell are they? I don't know. I'll tell you what bulb type they are one day. Does it say here? H3 bulbs. Yeah, that's the one. H3 LED fog bulbs. Let's go here. Okay, got the bulbs up.
Oh, you got the bulb?
Yeah, have you took the old one out?
Yeah,
oh shit.
Just the bulb itself.
Alright, it's a 2-pin in it.
I don't know, I ain't taking the old one out yet.
Oh, we don't take it out. Okay, he's going to take the bulb out first. Good luck. So all you're doing is twisting to the left and pulling out, yeah?
That's with the old one, yeah. Don't mind, take the shit out.
No, what does it look like?
Wait, what?
You
What
twist,
does that
yeah.
one look
Twist
like?
it, twist it.
What does that one look like? Is it just a bulb?
Yeah, bulb with 2 pins
Bulb with
at
two-
angle. I think you twist it, Labib.
I'm trying to twist that. Fast.
Twist it to your
Oh wait, come
anti-clockwise.
come over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you got the bulb with you? Yeah.
On there, yeah, just on there.
Right. Look, that's the type of bulb it is. Can you see?
What the fuck is that?
How do I take that out? Just pull it out.
Eh?
What?
What kind of bulb is that?
Is that not the bulb that we have?
No.
Huh?
You've got actual pins.
Okay.
What kind of... After I bought this, bro. Have you seen the bulbs? I've got the bulb out, yeah. Bring you the bulb more. Assalamu alaikum.
What is it?
Yeah, have a look.
What the fuck?
It's gonna rise it. But then again, what the kind of bulb is that, bro? I've never seen that bulb in my life. Maybe you can't do fogs on LED fogs on your one, bro. Look what kind of. Let me see that. Give me that. Hand me the bulb.
This one?
No, hold on.
Hold on.
Is it by wire? Can I not put it?
It's by wire.
Let's have a look at it. What the
I don't think you can, because
that
this
looks like
a
it's plugged
2-pin.
in, yeah. It looks like it's a full unit, can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, the wire is connected to the full thing. What the fuck? Okay, guys.
How would you have to change the bulbs on these?
Don't know, guys.
Can I just leave that there?
Yeah, leave it.
Sure.
Okay, guys, here's tweaking of the fog light. Look here. So you need to pull. Yeah, the white thing, like I said in it, you have to pull the white thing.
No, you don't have to pull that white thing.
Above it.
I don't know what you mean, bro. I can't see shit.
For some reason, he's stuck underneath the car, guys. This is the
one,
wire. Let me get you the LED 1 second. These are the LED H3 ones. I'll link them in the description. Look. Exact same connector. Here you go, love. Here you go. Have you got it? I might have to turn it on though.
I was going to say, is this only one way or can you go both ways?
It's LED, so it's one way or the other. So we'll have to figure it out. So plug in one way.
Alright, it's in one way.
Okay, let's go. Okay guys, we have tested the lights. It was the wrong way because it wasn't lighting up, so he's switching it around now. So it's simple as pulling that plug out. So first you take off the cover, then you squeeze it in, pull the bulb out and twist at the same time. Then you have to pinch that wire, pull it out.
Alright, go on, try that.
You just plug it in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So did you add
It is
that
working
to it,
now.
that little button?
The lip?
Look.
Yeah,
LED.
Yeah. But that, I've
Why
had that
yellow?
for ages.
Happy? You bastard. I told you, man, you never listen. There you go.
Not to be a honey.
Okay, guys, do not be horny like Labib. So what Labib was horny, too horny. So basically, if you don't put it back in its holder, it will not light up at all. So you might think, oh, it's not working, innit, Labib?
Yeah, bro.
But now look, his face is shining like he's Jesus, the Bengali Jesus, you know. So yeah, so make sure you put it back in the holder, because that's the grounding point, because LED needs a positive underground. So that's how it works.
Wait, why did I say I didn't want them in?
Which ones?
The high beams.
Because they weren't working anyway.
They were working for a quick flash.
Now guys, both sides are installed now. Look. MashaAllah, look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Beautiful. What do you think, MrWaheedulHaque?
It's alright, innit?
Okay. His car is alright. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.